You might have eaten all the banana chips, so let's start the process from scratch where these expert farmers are taking immense care of banana trees. He is removing the dried flowing part to improve air circulation and sunlight penetration, and you all know it's the key step. You might be thinking, why bags? This blue bagging round reduces the need for chemical pesticides, promoting a more organic approach to pest management, and controls the consistent temperature and humidity levels. When the intended thickness for green bananas is attained, they begin separating the banana fingers bunch using sharp knives, and then the cut is made some inches above the first hand, ensuring all banana hands are harvested together. They use this DIY transporting wire system to conveniently carry and transport the entire harvested bananas all at once and safely towards the main units. This way they protect the bananas from all the potential damages, including bruises. Bananas grow best in warm temperatures, and India is the largest producer of bananas. It produces around 30 million bananas per year. Once these bananas reach the facility, they prepare the stage for cleaning and washing these bananas. For this purpose, they set a delicate yet required amount of water pressure to clean the banana without damaging them. Let's take a quality test first. These approved bananas have arrived for thorough cleaning, neatly cutting those banana hands by using sharp knives. This process is largely carried out by hand with high precision, also to enhance shelf life and retain the quality of the bananas. During the processing, they are pre-cooled to minimize their temperature fast. This step retards the ripening process and aid in retaining firmness. Pre-cooling is typically carried out in large tanks of cold and fresh water. Only the bananas that qualify based on strict standards on size, shape, and firmness are chosen for chip manufacture. Sorting is often done by hand to ensure the consistent quality. These hard workers inspect, pick and collect the acceptable bananas and bins to ready them and haul them off to more processing. They should only pick the correction sized and green bananas, since they are going to transport them, and fruits like these won't rot on a long haul. Besides, they will be completely ripened upon arrival, and we will show you the two, so stay for a while. Here comes slapping those bananas with love, not really with company labels, and declaring them as ready to make your mouth-watering, irresistible chips. As we have told you before, bulk banana farming is possible only in hot areas, so they are going to hit a long trip, so that disinfectant spray is a must. Sit back and wait a moment, because the journey has just begun. You're going to see the actual production of chips ahead. This is no ordinary banana production factory. They have to process and distribute thousands and sometimes millions tons of bananas. In addition to chipping bananas, the factory also exports fresh bananas under the same stiff selection process. Only the best bananas are hand-picked and carefully packed to preserve their freshness. During transport, we arrive at the factory to produce banana pulp. The process begins with the reception of crates of fresh ripe bananas. Fresh bananas have a short shelf life and can become quickly overripe, but processing them into pulp helps extend their usability. The smooth, creamy texture of banana pulp makes it an ideal ingredient for smoothies, baby food and baked goods, adding natural sweetness and nutritional value without artificial additives. In the banana chips production process, it all begins with selecting the perfect green bananas. Green bananas are preferred because they are firmer and less sweet than ripe ones, making them ideal for slicing and frying. This is the banana slicer that transforms raw bananas into uniform slices of consistent thickness. Talking about thickness, it must be around 3 mm thick to get the perfect crisp, and here the frying begins. This super satisfying industrial fryer is going to produce the crispy golden brown chips. This machine features a conveyor belt system that carries the fried banana chips out of the fryer to ensure the even frying. Once they apply the finishing touch to the banana chips by applying flavoring, juice or several seasonings, they are sent for final packaging. Banana chips provide a tasty and convenient snack that's rich in potassium and dietary fiber. Using these multi-head weighing machines is a way more efficient and quick way of packaging the right amount of banana chips every time in every packet. Eating bananas may help improve mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Not only is the vitamin B6 in bananas, which plays a part in neurotransmitter synthesis when it comes to juices, apple juice remains at the top of the list. It comes generally in bottled form, making it easy to consume, but if you're curious how they make apple juice bottles en masse, then you've come to the right place. Apple juice also contains natural sugars. Essentially, fructose, those can add calories, so it is to be consumed apple juice in moderation as part of a balanced diet. You know, every company has their plus points, but speaking of Japan, the country is known for its premium apple juices, often made from specially cultivated apples and marketed as luxury items. Some brands produce juice using a single high-quality apple per bottle. The convenience of processed apple products might lead people to choose these over fresh apples. While processed products are easier to consume on the go, they often lack the full range of nutrients and health benefits found in fresh apples. With their brain-like appearance, it's no surprise that walnuts are often touted as a brain food. The omega-3 fatty acids found in walnuts are essential for brain health and may help improve cognitive function. Walnuts are rich in antioxidants and fiber, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Adding walnuts to your diet may lower cholesterol levels and improve overall heart health. So they tell you they are good for your heart. By the way, we are also good for your heart, aren't we? We have brought so many reasons for you to enjoy, learn, and even smile. Don't you think we deserve your attention or a single like? See, that glowing like button is waiting for you to hit him. Along with watching this whole satisfying factory process, despite their health benefits, walnuts are calorie dense due to their fat content. Let me add that a moderate serving size of walnuts is typically around 10 or 28 g, which is roughly a small handful or about 12 to 14 walnut halves. Yummy goodness. One of the primary reasons people choose to eat pecans is their irresistible texture and flavor. A well-made croissant boasts layers of delicate flaky paste that practically melts in your mouth with each bite, and these machines are to make that possible. Croissants hold a special place in the hearts and taste buds of people around the world. These flaky buttery pastries have become a beloved treat enjoyed by millions, and I think they are going to be loved for another lifetime. Ohad baklava signature layers of thin crisp pastry are a testament to the skill of these creators. The sight of golden layers, the aroma of toasted nuts, the delicate crunch as you bite into a piece, each sensation contributes to the overall experience of pleasure. If you think I exaggerated, you've to taste it to prove me wrong. This whole handcrafted charm adds to its appeal, making every piece feel like a labor of love, and that sugar syrup at the end is something perfectly satisfying. Wire cutters excel at delivering precise uniform cuts, making them ideal for tasks that require consistent sight to slice various food items. Their ability to produce clean, even slices ensures product uniformity and presentation excellence. Here's something even more exciting, because every time it hits chocolate my senses go out of senses. But first, they need to cut it all evenly in the inner material so it can be covered with a rich, smooth, and irresistible chocolate. Here comes the star of the day, the equally flowing chocolate waterfall. You have noticed, haven't you, how nicely they've spread out all the filling equally on all sides? These waffles are extremely versatile by nature, which makes them perfect for different kind of occasions and cravings. They can be served as a breakfast, a satisfying dessert, or even a playful snack. Just wait for their final touch-up. That rich and yummy melted chocolate will blow your mind. That's a wrap for today, but our satisfying food production journey isn't over yet. If you want to watch more videos like these, you can find us here, the Mighty Sandwich Cutter, for one perfect cut at a time. Get ready, behold as it slices through the whole salami with dexterity, transformation of the humble meat into math-perfecting slices prepared to dress up sandwiches. Take a step in the midst of biscuit excellence with this wonder of precision engineering, the sweetest spot within the factory. With precision and celerity, it cracks the eggs. No waste and optimal productivity. They cracked hundreds of eggs as if without an effort and few minutes. With each silken stroke it cuts just perfect slices to ensure precision and consistency in the meal serving. It transforms the way you look at cheese get sliced. Hey, if you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit that like button so we will know how many people are interested in watching our upcoming videos. Welcome to the sweet side of production. Together let's dive into the magic of Cake Pram Depositors, which is a true feast here. That's a whole unit of surprising events as it weighs and packaging goods with astonishing speed and accuracy. This powerhouse of technology ensures uniformity in portioning to maximize productivity. When you see it, you will indulge in its superb efficiency, leaving your worries behind for some moments, and we want you to stay calm because everything's going to be great. The duties of such robotic arms is to help create larger batches, all with consistent efficiency. Watch as each product gets carefully wrapped and sealed by cool machines. A super sharp knife that vacuumed up. This machine can slice through tons of raw food super smoothly, making them all the same size and shape. This amazing machine slices through bread and fillings perfectly. Some kinds have an ingredient called rennet, which comes from the stomach lining of baby cows. This might surprise cheese lovers who don't know where their favorite snack comes from. They make sure each apple is perfectly cleaned before it goes to the store. They're super efficient and make tons of products with perfect timing, just like superheroes. These machines are more like quality control experts, making sure every item is top-notch. Industrial food processing takes raw stuff and turns it into finished products perfectly. There are fancy assembly lines and high-tech packaging systems, all showing how smart people soar machines they are. Motivate us to create more satisfying videos like these. To the drill and smash the like button. Industries keep finding new ways to make food for lots of reasons. Using new methods can help them make food faster and cheaper so they can keep up with demand without using too much stuff. Also, using better technology and techniques can make sure the food is really safe, which makes both customers and regulators happy. Sieve machine takes the pits out of cherries really quickly and accurately, which makes it much easier to make cherry products. It's purely magic. The machine eases all hard work, saving a ton of time compared to doing it by hand. But here's the best part: it makes things run faster and helps reduce waste. They make sure those veggies are super clean and ready to eat. It's not just a quick rinse, it's a whole system designed to wash every veggie perfectly. World of seafood washing A lines. Watch as colorful peppers move through this system, getting carefully checked to make sure only the best ones are chosen. Whether it's fiery reds or sunny yellows, each pepper gets its spot, ready to make dishes look beautiful. Something is really special about the smell of meat and veggies cooking on a grill. Right, it all starts with getting these sticks prepared, working in assembly lines and warehouses, making everything run smoother and faster while keeping the quality top-notch. Whether it's sauces or batters, these machines make sure not a drop is wasted, making food production more efficient, helping to make food production better than ever. Machine turning big pieces of meat into tiny bits, perfect for all your favorite recipes. It doesn't only cut the meat but also measures it out and packs it up neatly, counted in a place where products are sorted, sealed, and made ready for you to take them home. Smooth flowing chocolate pouring effortlessly is guided by smart machines to make yummy treats. It's practical, it's efficient, and it's satisfying, so get ready for some serious satisfaction as they put the finishing touch on these treats before they hit the shelves. While we talk about some ingenious machines, tell us if you want to watch more videos like these and what else we should bring on in our next video. As the cans move through the process, a vacuum sealing unit makes sure the labels stick on just right without any mistakes. But beyond just moving goods from here to there, these marvels offer a plethora of other benefits too, like helping machines to get done their work faster and smoothly, just like them. It's like a bunch of scales working together perfectly, making sure each package has just the right amount, either it's tiny bits or larger pieces. This system is really good at getting everything right and nothing goes to waste as they're getting the best treatment here. Take a moment to hit that like button. With their secure closures and durable materials, they provide a protective barrier against air and contaminants, keeping your loaves pristine from factory to table. Watch those nice chicken pieces go frozen immediately. This helps them to stay fresh and edible for a longer time. They want to make sure the chicken stays good and convenient to use, whether we're getting ready for the week or saving some for later. With custom cutters, you're not stuck with the same old shapes and sizes, working silently but effectively to seal in the aroma and moisture of freshly baked bread, extending its shelf life and ensuring that every slice tastes just as heavenly as the first. Such facilities are more than just massive complexes, they're the heart of food production, ensuring that we have access to a wide variety of safe, convenient, and affordable food options. Can do some really neat and quick stuff. Aren't just regular tools, they're super cool inventions that make things better and faster. All about being fast and getting things just right. Just imagine lots of cans zooming along, getting filled up with your favorite drinks. Super precise machines smoothly cutting through fruits, veggies, and meats perfectly every time. That's a wrap for today, but if you want to